EX means expert. Tamiya has taken another big leap at the competition by improving the most widely used 7.2-volt NI-CAD racing pack on the scene. Under this golden wrapping lies a 1,700 milliamp of power, an increase of 40% over the standard 1,200 milliamp pack. And yet it is physically the same size. If your radio control model runs 10 minutes using existing 1,200 milliamp packs, then the Tamiya 7.2-volt 1,700 milliamp EX racing pack can extend that running time to about 14 minutes. The advantages of this in an endurance race is obvious. These higher reserves provide a wider range for gear and motor settings that will increase your car's performance. This is especially true in those 5- and 8-minute races where even the slightest advantage determines the win. The combination of large capacity and excellent discharge characteristics, plus greater current flow, is made possible using the tabless system. This allows superb acceleration, faster chicanes, and a longer running time. With a power advantage, you lead the pack. Tamiya's 7.2-volt Racing Pack EX. A great new difference.